Hello friend, now we learn the project and a wrap command. In a project command we can draw the or we can write the some word and then project this on the uneven surface. Okay, for that part remove the use default template, part solid, copy associated drawing. Okay, for that draw the one part, extrude, placement, define, front, sketch. Okay, okay, okay. Now draw the one datum plane above this surface. Okay, now we can write the word on this plane, then project over this surface. So sketch, text, okay, okay. You can modify this different thing with the center, right, left. You can also middle, top and bottom. Okay, please define the aspect ratio. Okay, please define the slant. Okay, then press OK, then press OK. Now you can see these are above this surface. Now we can project this total text on this surface. So for that select the project command, reference, select the surface. Okay, now you can easily see the project. Okay, then done. Now you can see the project view. Okay, this way we can use the project command. Okay, now you can also select this total word, then you can apply the extrude and cut, okay, on this surface. Okay, now we learn the wrap command. Okay, so for that we can also draw the one part. Okay, done. Okay, now we can draw this part. We can create a one datum plane above this part. Okay, now we can draw the one trajectory. Okay, Now we can apply this trajectory around this total surface. Okay, so for that select the edit and wrap command. So you can see this total surface wrap around the bottle. Okay, then press OK. You can create any section over this trajectory. Okay, so we can use a sweep cut, select the trajectory one by one. Okay, then done. Okay, we can apply the symbol, we can apply the section at this point. Okay, we can preview this section. Okay, then done. Now we can see this type of wrap we can apply the different way. Okay, thank you.